Hello friends. As preliminary examination is fast approaching, many are finding it difficult to read, and many of you have been telling me that it is tough in all these days, and they are not able to prepare for this examination. So how to do that? ஸோ கவுண்டர் பண்ணி ஒரு படத்தில் சொல்லுவான். இந்த சென்ஸ் வந்து உனக்கு ஜலதோஷம் இருக்கா, எனக்கு ஜலதோஷம் இருக்குது, உனக்கு தலை வலிக்குதா, எனக்கும் தலை வலிக்குது, உனக்கு கால் வலிக்குதா, எனக்கும் கால் வலிக்குது, இந்த பிரச்சனை எல்லாருக்கும் இருக்குது, நீ வீட்டுக்கு போ அப்படின்வான். ஸோ இந்த சென்ஸ் வாட் ஐ எம் ட்ரைங் டு சே இஸ் தட் this problem will be there for everyone. Okay, this problem will be there for everyone. For you, the person sitting next to you, the person toppers, or the UPSC, even if you ask the UPSC chairman to write this examination, even they will find it very difficult in this period. See, you have been preparing for very long time, my friends, and it is not very easy to sustain this long. So you have to understand that we have this biological limitation. I'm a superhuman. We are not superhumans, you know. We are not superhumans. That is a wrong thing. Actually, we can, if we think we can do everything, see, we have a biological limitations. There is a biological limitation. How much ever we are able to read, how much ever we are able to do, there is a biological limitation to that. When that biological limitation is exceeded, appada stress varum. There is a stress. That is what is stress. Okay, you have to very clearly understand, my friends. Okay, so and next point you should understand is that this mock test marks, please see, everyone keeps asking this mock test marks. They keep roaming around with these marks, and they are telling I got 58, 59, 60, 70, 75, 95, I got 120. See, these mock test marks are not proper assessment of your strengths and weaknesses. You should understand that. They are see, why they are there. Whether they are not useful, I am not saying that. I am saying they are useful. Why? Because your relative strengths you have to see. Whether you are relatively among your group of people, whether you are relatively doing well. Second, whether you are covering all the portions. See, when there is a mock test, you will be covering portions, right? So whether you are covering everything, not leaving any topic, because UPSC, as I told you, is a long marathon. You cannot complete everything in one day. So each mock test you will be completing small portions. Third is your improvement. See, this examination, people forget that this examination is really about you. It's not about the person sitting next to you, or it's not about the person sitting in front of you, or it's not the person who is going to write exam in Delhi, Chennai, Bombay, Calcutta, anywhere. No, it's about you. Okay, whether you are progressing in this path is what is important, and these mock test scores are only for that. And I have told several times, this mock test score will not reflect in your UPSC paper. You think about it. The UPSC paper, first think about it. The composition will be different. The composition of UPSC paper will be based on, for example, each section will have a proper representation. See, that is, UPSC is an Indian organization. It's not an organization for for a profit motive or something. Okay, it will have its all India level, pan level questions, sectional based. Okay, second, it will be, the difficulty will be distributed. For example, the difficulty will not be scaled in one direction. Whether it will not be completely easy, it will not be completely difficult. It will be in a scale, it will be in a continuum. Human beings are continuum, you know. We are not extremes, polarity, no. We are not positive, negative. People think like that. We are positive and negative. No, we are in this continuum. Everyone has some positives, everyone has some negatives. Same way the UPSC question paper will be. But for example, many had this is the problem which has come. I do not know, I should not mention the name of the institute test, and the scores have come very low. And I have seen that question paper. See, this is a very difficult question paper. See, that will not reflect in UPSC. But see, what you have to do from these mock tests is that take those questions, read those questions, understand those topics, different topics. Ho gaya na, 100 topics you read, simply throw away the paper, right? Finish. Go move on to the next UPSC exam is what counts. This mock test does not count. You get 50 marks, what does it count? You have those 100 questions read, understood, by you go and check the topics, then move on to the next thing. Next day is important. And you should also know, see, again, this will happen very soon, because see, today is the last day, so I'm posting it today. See, I don't have anything against anyone, but this is the last day, of the UPSC interview. This is, I think today is the last day. Maybe they will release the result very soon. I do not know when they will release because of COVID, but they have to release it very soon, because the marks have to be uploaded within a week, and after that your prelims comes. So this cycle has to be completed. So they will be in a very hurriedly fashion. They will, I think they are going to put the result very soon. But what I wanted to say is that, see, that is what many now will come. Okay, many now will come and tell you strategy, new strategy, many new techniques. How did I score 120 in the 20 days? How did I score 140 in 30 days? How did I score 160 in one attempt? How did I clear all the attempts? See, this kind of thing will come now. Okay, will come after this period, you're going to see. But please, my friends, concentrate. Okay, these 10 or 20 days, I think hardly 18, 17 days are left. This is a game you have to play. See, that is why I am not going to tell you. That is why I give you the representation. That is, for example, if CSAT means this number of questions are there. See, I'll give you the repertoire of questions. I'll give you the plan. I'll give you the probability. See, what has to be done has to be chosen by you. You, my friends, are the person writing this exam, not me or any other person. My strategy will not be working for you, or the other person's strategy will not be working for you. Or no one, actually, do not believe that no one can make 120 in 30 days or 120. This is a hard labor. Work of 1.5 years. Okay, 1 year at least. 1 year solid work someone has done, they would get the mark. Okay, so do not believe in all these things. Now do not go run behind, change your pattern, whatever pattern you see. That is what somebody would say is, this pattern is good, that pattern is good. Whatever pattern you feel is good, please do that. And see, in the sense, what you have to remember is that, see, everyone keeps asking me that I am feeling very, very scared of this exam now, because very low time is left. See, I that is what I have. Some people whom I really adore. For example, Gandhiji I really like, and you should know Gandhiji was a barrister. He was a lawyer. Gandhiji was scared to attend his first. So after he became a lawyer, first case he was very scared. Okay, he was about to run. Actually, he was about to run. He was really scared, And second, you should know. Second, for example, the other person. Martin Luther King, Martin Luther King. I have a dream speech. So you can see the speech in YouTube. I have a dream. It's a speech which went like anything. So every corner of this world knows that speech. You know what? Martin Luther King did not sleep till 3 a.m. the day before. He was making those assessment or what to say. He was preparing for that speech for 2-3 months. 2-3 months he was preparing. But on the day, the speech is in YouTube, you can check that. But on the day he did not sleep, or he was not able to sleep till 3 a.m. Okay, and then you should know also Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela also, he was also a barrister or a vakil, or lawyer like Gandhiji. He was also scared on the first day, or the first case. He was also scared, and he was also he was, as you might be aware, he was in jail for more than 25 to 30 years. He was there in the jail. He was initially scared to ask the warden, initially scared to protest or rebel against the warden. Initially, in his memoir, The Long Walk to Freedom, he has written that. I am not saying something from YouTube WhatsApp videos. So it's in his book, Long Walk to Freedom. He was scared. He's writing, he's scared. Okay, he was not sure what to do. He was not sure whether he's doing the correct things. He was not sure whether he would actually succeed. See, this kind of things does happen, right? So Nelson Mandela. Next, Einstein, so another person. So Einstein, again, the first class he had PhD. He had given the greatest theory of this world, the greatest theory of the last century. The point was that the first, he did not get it's a long story, but first class he got, or he was a teacher, and he got this after a long battle. Everyone knows he worked in a patent's office, no. After that he wanted to teach, and he got it after a long battle. But you know what, he first class he messed it up. Okay, he messed it up. He comes and writes and says that I was not prepared. See, a scientist who has changed the face of this world did not do his first class properly. He has said, he's saying I was not prepared. I was not prepared for the first class. See, same thing. And again, one more person. I really adore this person. The most adorable person I have ever read is Abraham Lincoln. Okay, everything that he does is adorable, or every word he says is adorable for me. But you know what? He went into severe depression. He went into, actually at the age of 34 or 35, he was broke. He was broke in the sense he did not have money. It's true, his marriage broke. His marriage broke, and he was supposed to be selected for the Senate. Senate is US, so like upper house, represent our Rajya Sabha, there is a Senate in USA. He was supposed to be selected, but he was not. So in that time, he was really depressed, and he did not even think about coming out of the room. 1 week, 2 weeks, he used to lock himself in the room. But the point is that he came out. He came out after that, and he became a president. And another, I will end with this. Okay, another person this person everyone knows, right? Leonardo da Vinci, right? Or not Leonardo, not DiCaprio, Leonardo da Vinci. The point is that he was a famous, that everyone knows, right? He was a famous painter, and his paintings are all over. Mona Lisa painting. And I was asked this question also in UPSC. They asked me this question, whether geniuses are born. Okay, geniuses are born. I said no, because see, all these people which I have listed, including Leonardo da Vinci, were not born as genius. They work towards it. I'll tell you an example of Leonardo da Vinci also. He had a competition one day. Everyone, he was about to compete, and everyone came to see him draw. Okay, the competition was that. And he enrolled in that competition, and he went, and he was looking at, and everyone was eager. Leonardo da Vinci is going to draw something. You know what he did? He did not even take the brush and paint. He was so scared, or what came up to his mind, no one knows. He ran away. He did not finish that painting. He never did that painting. That competition he never enrolled. But the point is that he is still one of the most greatest painters in this world. So all these people, if you have seen, my friends, all these people are not great because they never failed. No. Or all these people are not great because they never doubted themselves. These are ordinary people, these are all ordinary. What I have listed is ordinary people. They had their doubts, they had their problems, they had their misgivings, they had their mistakes, and they also had their scary moments. They also had their very scary moments. But why do we call them great? Is because even when they are scared, even when they are making mistakes, even after their failures, even after everything goes wrong for them, they keep trying. Everything may go wrong for you as well, but keep trying. Okay, keep trying. All the best.